What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are thebomb.com. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be going over my savings challenges and seeing what type of progress I was able to make in the month of August. And I'm going to track my progress to see if I'm on par to save money, save as much as possible by the end of this year. I don't think I'll be able to save $10,000, but you know, if it happens, I will not be mad. But we're going to see just how far I have been able to get. So if that's something you want to see, then stick around. Okay, I'm proud of myself because the first thing I did was put my cash envelopes in order. Hello. You see 𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗘𝗧 breaking us off first. So first off, let's see how much progress we were able to make in the 𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗘𝗧 category. So I know I was able to save like at least $100 in the month of August, and we got a good amount shaded in. So I'm in jail right now if you didn't watch my latest video. But anyway, we have saved a total of, from January to August, $100, $200, $220, $240, $260, $270, $275, $280, $285, $290, $295, $305. So that is really, really good. And what I'm going to do is just mark my progress off screen. So 𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗗𝗘 305. I am happy with that, and I already started contributing to 𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗗𝗧 for the month of September. Catch my last video if you want to know what happened there. But okay, 𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗗𝗧. So the goal is to save at least $450 by the end of the year. So 450 minus 305 means that I need to save at least $145 more by the end of December, and I think we'll be able to do that. Like 145 divided by September, October, November, divided by 4 is at least $36 or $37 a month. So I'm going to make sure that I'm hitting that goal for the rest of the year so that I can say I finished 𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗗𝗧. Next up is the 0 out challenge. For some reason, I am having so much glare. It is not hitting. But anyway, you can see we weren't able to contribute anything to the 0 out challenge for the first week of September. We contributed 0 for the 0 out challenge. And I don't mind when I have weeks like this, because look how we were able to save in the month of August. So we're going to add this up and make sure it's right. But I'm going to tell you right now, we did nothing for the 0 out challenge. Okay, so the 0 out challenge, let's add it up. In the month of August, we were able to save $20, $40, $45, $50, $55. So $40, $45, $50, $55. That's right. And then total, since I switched to cash, so this may not match up with the numbers on here because some of it's online. But total in the last 2 months, we've been able to save $20, $40, $60, $65, $70, $75, $76. So I don't give myself a limit for this. I am just trying to save as much money as possible for the 0 out challenge. So 0 out has $76 so far. Next up is the Debits Day Off challenge. This is like low-key one of my favorite challenges because I'm surprising myself with how much I've been able to save. So in the month of August, I was able to save $50, $51, $52, $53. Go girl. And then in the total, let's see how much we've been able to save. Total for Debits Day Off, we've been able to save $100, $150, $200, $250, $270, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $280, $1, $2, $3, $4. So $284. Whoop, whoop. $284. That is money I could have blown on anything, y'all. But instead, your girl was saving it. So this is just awesome. And this is why you go back and look at your progress, because you might be doing really well. You might be doing really well. Okay. So that's Debits Day Off. Next up is the 26-week challenge. So we're skipping 50 for a while because I really wanted to focus on this challenge. I really wanted to save $1,000 with the 26-week challenge. So in the month of August, we were able to save 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, $205 in the month of August alone. And if we add that to the money here, we have saved a total of 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, $505. So $505 for the 26-week challenge. That means we are halfway there, y'all. $505 for the 26-week. I'll take it. I will take it and run. Okay, next is the Keep the Change challenge, which I honestly have not contributed to in dollars. I've only got some coins, but we have 100, 110, 120, 121, 122, 123 that we were able to save in coins, and we will take that because honestly, I never cared about change until last year, so I'll take it. I'm not going to include the quarters and all the other change I have in the bank because I want to, not in the bank, in my piggy bank right here, but I want to, what's the name it? I want to roll it up first, so that's okay. Next up is the nickel challenge. So sorry if this is a little bit off, y'all. I don't know what's going on. The little angles is off. But for the nickel challenge, we were able to save $10, $20, $25, $30, $35, $40 in the month of August. And then if we put that together with the money for the rest of this from the previous months, make sure that's in order. Yes, that worked out. We have saved a total of 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 520, 530, 540, 545, 550, 555, $560 for the nickel challenge. $560 for nickel. Not bad, not bad. We'll take it. Okay, next is the emergency fund challenge. Let's see. This one is a little wonky because I just switched to electronic money only, but so far we've been able to save 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 3,100, 3,210. So 3,210 is how much we have in our emergency fund. 3,210. Emergency fund. So that is good. I know it might not look as accurate on here, but I'm going to update it once all the little mini transactions clear. Okay, then next is the monthly challenge. So the monthly challenges, I don't really keep the money. Like, it is my excuse to blow money on something that I save just for the month. So in the month of August, we saved a total of 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, $125 for the back to school savings challenge. So this is money that I'm going to use on supplies for Eva and courses that she may want to take throughout the year. It's just a way for me to put something, be intentional about putting something to the side for her. So we're going to put that right there, and then we're going to get ready for our next savings challenge, which is Peace, Love, and Budget September. And we're only going to save $60, but this is enough money for me to do something nice. So let me know in the comments what you guys plan to do with your monthly savings challenge money for the month of September. I'm thinking I'm going to treat myself and Micah to a pedicure. That's what I'm thinking I'm going to focus on. And I just like doing monthly savings challenges and long-term savings challenges just to mix it up a little bit. You want to make sure that you're having fun with your savings challenges and rewarding your progress. So for me, that's what I choose to do. You could keep all of this money all together and then see how far you get. You could do that. You really could. But so we're not gonna include the other savings challenges because that is savings challenges that I do and then I invest the money. So how much have we saved? Let's add it up, y'all. 305. Let me put it in frame here. Okay, so let's start with 305 plus 76 plus 284 plus 505 plus 123 plus 560 plus 3,210 means that we have saved $5,063, y'all. And that doesn't even include like the money that we've been passively saving and investing in our monthly savings challenges. That's what I'm talking about. We are halfway there, and that is further along than I thought. And that is why you do these check-ins, guys, because you never know. So $5,063. Now, I know this is money that I should have had saved by halfway through the year, maybe June, July. But to do this and make this amount of progress January to August, I'm still proud of myself. So I am going to hit it very hard. September to December. I'm coming for you. That's all I can say. I'm coming for you. But okay, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for doing this check-in with me so that I can stay excited about these savings challenges, y'all. So let me know in the comments, how much have you been able to save so far this year? We had a lot of different things going on. We had to use our emergency fund, not once, but twice. So starting from scratch and growing that emergency fund to over $3,000, I'm really proud of us, all while cash flowing things that came up. Like I got in a car accident with a Turo car, had to cash flow that. I got new tires for our Tesla sooner than we thought we had to, because we hit so many potholes and I cannot drive on these small parking lots. But anyway, I'm still so happy with our progress. Let me know. Catch up with me in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.